Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is Toy Story Collector, and today I'm gonna show you my bucket of soldiers that I got like 4 Christmas ago. I don't know how many Christmas passed, but like I know how many Christmas passed, but like I don't know when I got this one. So let's continue this video. So when you open this, there's a bunch of soldiers inside, the green soldiers from Toy Story. So there's like 6 different types of soldiers. There's this one, I call it the main one. This one, this one. Who else? This one. Wait, I think this one. Yeah, that one. Who else? Do I have this one? No, I don't. This one. Look. Yeah. And there's this one. Is there one more? I think there is. There is one more. Let's see. Where's the bomb one? Or whatever that is. This one. There's the how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 different soldiers. Different types. They're all the same. Yeah. One, I don't really I forget that I got the soldiers in my collection, but sometimes I remember. So there it is. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please get a big thumbs up, comment down below who's your favorite Toy Story character, and please make sure to subscribe. Bye.